Badoy Pagrua, all the way from Bangkok. Wow! Diba? So anyway, ang task ko is to share about the positive principles of God-shaped success rather. So ano to? So we have 12 here actually, no? So can we make it bigger, sir? Ayan. So number 1 natin dito is, di ba remember this morning, sabi attitude business to, no? So 95% ang attitude natin and only 5% is the skills, right? Ayan. So I need the right attitude. So yung attitude natin will determine your altitude. Meaning kung gaano ka na-refine yung ating pag-uugali, ganun din kataas ang pwede natin iakyat dito. No? That's why talagang usok-usok to the max, right? No? Talagang natututo tayo dito. And attitude is the key. We need to say major element siya ng ating business because unless tayo naayos dito, na-correct lahat o na-flash lahat yung mga hindi kaaya-ayaw, yung mga negative things sa atin, we cannot really still climb the ladder of success. No? So sabi, yung skills can be learned because sabi nga ni Jem de Eva, all skills are learnable. Diba? Pero kailangan right ang ating attitude para ma-learn at ma-absorb natin agad. So always say, sabi, be positive and enthusiastic, right? And then the business is 95% attitude and excitement and only 5% skills. But sabi ni Jemmy June, 5% but give the 100% of the 5% pa rin. Tama? Yes. And then, how to maintain your attitude? So, we are being advised to really listen to CDs kung meron pa man yan, or else we go to YouTube. Mag-listen tayo ng mga audio materials, marami yan. We also have books and our training dito. So, doon tayo natututo para yung ating mga attitude or the character will be refined. So, what's next? Excuses and procrastination. O, di ba kanina umaga, tinamaan tayo lahat, no? Kasi marami tayong excuses kung sa ating mga ABC and yung ating habits. So, sabi, get rid of excuses. Instead, use your excuses as a motivation to do the business. Tapos, ano sabi? Huwag na ipabukas-bukas. Huwag na mamaya-mamaya. Sandali lang, hindi gano'n. Dapat now na. Yes. Now, yun ang sabi, no? And if you have to do something, the best time to do it is now. Dapat ngayon na, no?
Yes.
And then, procrastination feeds your fear. Pag ipa-delay mo yan, mas lalo ka pang kabahan. Diba? Meron nga sinasabi na, ay, sana wala siya pagdating doon, sana wala siya sa bahay nila. O diba? Kasi nga, gusto mo i-procrastinate because of fear. Diba? Pero ang best cure pa rin for fear is action. Ibig sabihin, you have to decide, go out, talk to people. Yes or yes?
Yes!
Yun pa rin ang pinakalaban natin. And then of course, ego and pride. So ito rin sinasabi sa atin, dapat i-flash natin because whether we admit it or not, meron pa talaga ito. That's why minsan nahihiya tayo mag-share. Baka sabihin na, ano nangyari? Nagbibenta na nga siya ng juice. Bakit ganyan ang trabaho niya ngayon? Diba? That's still pride and ego. Kung tinamaan ka pa at, diba, ang isang gay sabi dito, watch yourself ashamed. Mahihiya ka pa mag-talk, lalo na sa mga kakilala mo o nakakilala sa iyo, tungkol sa opportunity, ibig sabihin may pride pa yun.
Yes.
So, meron pa tayo niyan. So, that's why the biggest challenge is our ego and pride. And sabi nga, this is a humbling business. Talagang magpapakumbaba tayo. The faster we let go of our ego and pride, the faster we will succeed in the business. Because remember, no, iba-iba ang perception ng mga tao pagtingin nila sa atin. Hala, nagbibigil na lagyan siya ng intra. Lifestyles na pala yan siya ngayon. Di ba yung mga ganun kasi, no? Narinig natin yan. Pero remember, nandun ang ating mga mentors and uplines, when the student is ready, the teacher arrives. So they are always there to help us, to assist us, para tulungan din tayo na ma-flash out ng ating mga pride and ego.
Yes!
And then sabi, build this by faith in God. Yes, remember everything boils down back to God yun. Last night, I was listening to parang podcast ni John Maxwell. Meron siya parang 1 minute ng mga sa YouTube, no? So, pinaflash siya kasi I follow him. Sabi pa niya, the greatest, sabi niya pa, leadership book that I have ever used, no, is the Bible. So, sabi niya pa, hindi daw porque pastor siya, hindi porque preacher siya, that's why sabi niya Bible. But sabi niya, sige, i-dare niya ang mga tao, sabi niya pa, give me or ask me something, and then I will tell you where you can find it in the Bible. That's why the book is, nung nandito ako sa sa life. So, when I understood na yung mga ginagawa dito, sabi ko, goodness, sabi ko, if only everybody understands na yung principle na ginagawa natin sa life is actually based on the Bible.
Yes.
No? So, nandun lahat. So, kumbaga, parang sa Bible pa, parang discipleship ito ba? Ito, so molding pa rin talaga. So, that's why important talaga yung faith. And remember, kanina umaga na pag-usapan natin about our habit, no? So remember, we are nothing without the Lord. So we have to establish our faith or our relationship with God. Yes or yes? Yes. And of course, take ownership because tayo ang nag-invest dito. Kanyang business ito sa atin. Tama? Oo, atin to. So this is our own business, not our upline's business. Nevertheless, nandyan sila, sasamahan, tutulungan for as long as mag-humble enough tayo to ask for help. Remember, no, hindi nila ipipilit ang sarili nila pag hindi tayo humingi ng tulong. Tama?
Yes.
Okay, and Apple natin will be there. So, hindi natin hintayin na si Apple na gagawa ng business for us. Tama? Yes. And then, of course, we have a global business and we should look like we have one. So, this is about our outward appearance naman, how we present ourselves, lalo na, patulad kahapon, ang aking nasyaran isang ICU nurse. So sabi ko, hi ma'am, good morning. So sabi niya, oh yes, sabi niya. So nagkwenta-kwenta ko, so salamat ko, ICU nurse ako. So oh, is that so? So I'm also a nurse. Para may connect na agad kami dalawa. So sabi ko, can I share? Sabi niya, what's it's all about? So bakit sa Content Talks program? So, interesting. Sabi niya, ano yan? So nag-talk kami. So ano mo, interested siya. Tapos sabi ko, actually I'm 60. I don't have maintenance, but I have been living the product for more than 3 years. Sabi niya, you know what? It doesn't really look you're 60. You're just like 40. That's a compliment, right?
Yes!
Yes! Praise the Lord. Sabi niya po, alam mo, naniniwala ako, because nakikita ko sa iyo. Yung mga ganun, because we are a product of our products.
Yes!
Yes! So yun importante. Para tayo, pag sinabi natin na talagang maganda ito, totoo yun. Talagang from the heart yan. Because ginagamit natin. And of course, meron tayong mga business cards or tools that we can share and give them. Yes or yes?
Yes!
Yes! And then activity and productivity. Dito tayo simplang. It takes action to achieve results. Yes or yes? Use our time wisely. So how many hours do we really spend? For example, pag-isa lang sa bahay, like kanina, di ba? You know what? If you want to sit down, you like to sit down and write ba? The moment you wake up in the morning, sulat nyo, anong ginagawa nyo una? Ilang minuto ba yan? Ilang oras ba yung ginugugol nyo dyan? Malalaman mo kung paano i-spend yung araw mo. And remember, lahat tayo may 24 hours. Pareha tayong lahat. So, ang tanong lang is, paano natin ginamit ang ating oras?
Yes.
Productive ba yun? Yung sinasabi na, is it an income generating ba? Yung ating mga actions for the day. Diba? So, yun ang very important. Okay? So, more activities you do, the more results you will have. So, tayo, we are being told we can do face-to-face, we can do online, we can use our cellphone to call. Marami tayong means of communication, di ba, no? So, gamitin natin siya lahat. Basta ang sabi sa atin, ito 3 to 5 people, 3 na face-to-face, 3 na follow-up, 3 na new, at 3 na online. Di ba? Si Ma'am Jen mismo nagsabi sa atin ng last time nung nag-VBR tayo sa Jensen. So, and then of course, we have a system, the proven system that will take us to the top. We need to say, we will follow it. Because unless we follow, we can never climb the ladder of success. Yes or yes?
Yes.
Yes. Yun talaga ang susi. So that's why it's duplication. Kopya-kopya lang po ito. So tayo ngayon, kung ano ang level natin, i-aral natin ng mabuti ang system at ipasok talaga natin sa system ang ating mga new. Even yung mga old natin, let's bring them back to the system. Because unless they are in the system, or unless they follow the system, we are never duplicated. That's reality. Tama ba? Yes. So everything I do must be duplicatable. Doable man talaga lahat. The only way my business will grow is to duplicate. No? Kailan mag-produce tayo ng sarili natin. I mean, yung kaparehan natin. No? Not exactly, but at least ang important is, pinapalo na lang system. And of course, ito sinasabi mo pautang, we dispose bottles in cash para hindi tayo magka-problema. But in some cases, no, hindi maiiwasan. Meron talagang ganyan. Pero basta huwag ka lang ma-hurt pag hindi ka nabayaran. Tama? Oh no, ganun lang siya. And then no price cutting, parang yung isang downline ko. So pag nag-jumpstart kami, ma'am, pwede ba na ano? Kasi pag kilala ko, mag-ano ako, pag bawasan mo, ko, oh please, please, please. Sabi ko, yan ang huwag mong gawin. Pwede kang tanggalan ng iyong distributorship ID once you are going to change the price. And you know what? Di ba remember I visited Cotabato? Ang prices ng Intra sa Cotabato, wow! Iba-iba. Kaya yung isang istipian ko, sabi niya, magkano na ngayon ate? 2,000 mo, ha? Hindi na ako ng 2,000 ang Intra. 1,800 lang to. Sabi ko, yung 55 pesos is the freight. So, doon iba-iba ang prices ng Intra sa Cotabato City. Ganon sila, di ba? Pero basta huwag natin gayahin, tayo we follow. So, do not invest for your downlines because kailangan sila, maramdaman nila, maglabas sila ng pera para gawin nila ng buong-buo sa puso nila ang opportunity. Yes or yes?
Yes.
Okay. SW, next. Some will listen to us. Some won't listen to us. They are not interested. So what? Wala tayong pakialam. Basta importante, move on.
Yes.
Go to the next because maraming nag-aantay ng opportunity at ng ating product. And of course, sinasabi sa atin, dapat to magkaroon tayo ng 1,000 o 2,000 na no bago natin makikita si yes.
Yes.
Tama ba? So yun, basta patuloy lang talaga. And of course, we go FIGO, meaning forget it and go on. Dapat ito makabilis tayo magka-amnesia. Na parang bang naano tayo, pero ako, I did not feel that I was rejected. I don't know kung kalos ang heart ko or what. Na parang sa naisip ko, this is opportunity. If they will say no, okay, fine. Diba? Parang ganun lang. No? So, siguro nasanay na ako because sa nature ng work ko before. So, everything only the positive, but do not be complacent and forget about the negative. And remember, ilang percent ang negative? 99% or 96% yan sa ating palibot. So, ikaw ang mag-decide if you will be affected or not by the negative things that we see or hear. Don't dwell on negative people and negative reactions. Remember, may iba, very reactive. React agad. May iba naman, okay, wala lang. No? So tayo, para rin sa ating kabutihan. Remember, bakit kailangan hindi tayo masyado mag-react? Because dapat i-guard natin ang ating mind. Because once the mind is disrupted, once the mind is distorted, wala na. Nawala ka na. Kasi affected na pati ang emotion mo. Diba? So dapat talaga maayos ang mindset natin para ma-align ang ating mind at saka ang heart natin.
Yes.
Because remember, this is emotional business. Yes or yes?
Yes.
Yes. So para makakonect tayo. Motivation. Ito. Nasabi ang motivation dapat manggaling sa tao. Kahit anong push mo yan. Kahit gaano ka pag-explain mo yan. Pag siya mismo wala siyang desire to really do the opportunity, or try. Kahit man lang kaunting sana, ang opportunity, wala talaga yan. So sabi, you cannot force people to do things they do not want to do in the business. The motivation should come from the person himself or herself. So, what do we do? By what they do, you will know if they are motivated. Tama ba? Yes. Because even tayo pag umaga, paglabas sa bahay, motivated tayo. Pag pwede parang yung mga nakausap ko, parang di okay. Mamaya parang nasisense na yung emotion mo, parang nagababa na siya. Pero kailangan, sabi dito, ikaw mismo, pat yourself, you are good, you're okay. Next tayo, next. Dapat ganun Hindi pwede magpadala tayo. Yes or yes?
Yes.
Yes. And of course, my upline core is my lifeline. So, constant with upline core, be in constant communication with your upline. So, ideally, talk to upline every day. Ako, hindi ko nito nagagawa every day. But I say good morning. Ganun, no? So, be accountable to your upline in terms of your business activities, di ba? Lalo na ito ngayon, nanginihintay tayo ng Malaysia natin na incentive. So, kailangan talaga, mag-LOS tayo, natin kay upline, ano nangyari sa activity natin para ma-assess at matulungan tayo. Be transparent to your upline so you can get the help and advice you need. Katulad ng sinabi ni Joe kanina, you be transparent as long as it's business related and it will affect the business, open it up. Yes or yes?
Yes.
And then edify your upline ito. Because remember yung third-party credibility, magagamit lang siya sa ABC rule natin, no? Magagamit natin siya. And then next is, I cannot lead people if I need people. Totoo, no? Huwag tayong mag-antay ng tao or sa tao. Because diba, business na natin ito.
Yes.
Go to the next level if you're waiting for people. Diba? Sabi mo, antayin ko na lang muna yung mag-ano siya, mag-QL, o meron siya ipapasok. Tapos wala, mag-frustrate ka. Yes or yes?
Yes!
Keep going until you find the right people, like-minded people. I believe everybody in the room, nagpe-pray tayo. Lord, let us meet the right people who will become our partners sa ating opportunity. No, totoo, we're praying. Pero sometimes sa kanina, I was listening to Miles Monroe while coming here. Sabi pa niya, sometimes the Lord, parang feeling natin delay. But actually, yung delay na yan, merong inomold ang Lord sa atin. Because once the Lord is going to answer your prayer, tapos ikaw pala yung hindi ready. So, yung sabihin, hindi pa rin okay.
Yes.
Diba? Nag-pray ka, but you're not fully ready. That's why the Lord isn't answering. So, yung delay natin actually doesn't mean denial or rejection of the Lord. Meaning to say, meron pa siyang pinaprocess pa. Tulad ito mga like-minded people. Pag wala pa tayo niyan, because meron pa rin inaayos sa atin. Tama ba?
Yes.
Yes. So, that's why tayo, magpaturo lang, magpakorek lang talaga tayo. Now, ito. Have no mercy. Dapat wala daw tayong awa, no? Have no mercy in sharing the product because illness has no mercy. Have no mercy in sharing the business because poverty has no mercy.
Yes.
So, ang sakit, pwede mahawaan ang may pera o wala kahit anong oras at anong panahon.
Yes.
Kasi, kahit may pera siya, pwede mawala, ang mauubusan ka ng pera o savings niya, makabenta ka ng property because of the illness. Because I know of somebody, wala silang insurances, and then nagkasakit ng malalaking father nila, they were able to sell their properties. So, instead na sana mapamana, wala, naubusan sa sakit ng tatay, no? So, ito rin yung poverty din, because iba ang kahirapan, no? Sabi nila, I don't know, but we do not, we feel siguro in a way, pero bakit natin masyado siya ramdam na, I mean, parang people are suffering, mahirap daw and all. Iba ng mga business ako na nasabi ko sa isang supervisor, kasi tinalo ako sabi niya, matungan talaga ngayon ang business, ma'am. Sabi na gano'n sa akin. So, ganun ba? Sabi ko, ano? So, syempre, which is totoo, siguro kaya nagbaba ang sales na. Even yung isang, kasama namin sa Bible study group, kasi may pharmacy siya. Sabi niya pa, alam mo, tawag sa akin, pastora. Sabi niya, humina ang sales ko, bakit? Kasi meron ng mga nag-put up ng pharmacy din sa tabi ko. Sabi ko, that's normal because traditional business na din siya. Sabi ko sa kanya, no? So, that's why medyo din siya. So, pero yun kaya nga, may business ka pero hindi mo na lang ano mangyayari. Di ba, we can never tell. Like the COVID thing, di ba? Ako may business was really doing well in Center Point. Pero nung dumating ang COVID, talagang nandun na lang yung lifespan niya. Sabi ni Lord, next tayo, hindi ito ang totoo. Yes, di ba? Kaya excited ako. Because alam ko yung barefoot to be praised natin na totoo. Oh, praise God, no? And I share the products and the business to everybody, everywhere. Kahit saan daw, kahit anong oras. Nabasa ko kanina sa Dover Sea and MD Rodilin. Papunta daw yan sila ng airport na sabi. Tapos, meron kami need ng product. So, nag-share sila ng opportunity. So, yung mga ganun, no? Di ba parang yung ma-feel mo ba yan talaga if the person is ready na pwede siyang makausap o hindi? Ma-assess mo ganyan siya. So, pag alam mo na parang, ito pwede itong makausap about the opportunity. Ako usually, ginagawa ko ESBI muna. Okay? Para makakonect tayo. Okay. So, dito, meron tayong dalawang klase o uri ng tao na pwede masalubong paglabas natin dyan. Yes or yes? So, sino ito sila? Number one, kaunti lang ang alam nila. Wala ka palang alam, no nothing. And then, little lang, kaunti lang. And then, ang iba, hindi na, failure na sila dito because wala na sila. Hindi na sila nagpatuloy. That's why, sila, yung mga sasabihin nila, hindi talaga magtugma sa kung ano talaga yung real opportunity at yung real goodness ng ating ino-offer sa mga tao. And remember, sabi natin, 99% yan sila mga negative people. No?
Yes!
Meron iba, hindi siguro sila nag-verbalize, pero passive man sila. Wala lang yung sinasabi, pero wala lang. So, we consider them as negative people pa rin. Kasi they do not encourage you, they do not also say good things about it and what, no? So, doon pa rin sila mag-fall, no? So, kaya tayo kailangan matibay tayo dito. So, pero meron positive people. And we thank the Lord because all of us here in the room, yes or yes, we belong here, yes? So, dyan tayo. That's why, importante, no? Successful people, siyempre yung ating mga global marketing directors who are already ahead of us. Then we have our people on their way to success, yung mga international marketing directors natin. pati ang mga national marketing directors natin, these are our elite leaders, no? In lifestyle. So, sila yung nandoon na nauna, pwede natin silang tignan, ma-encourage tayo sa kung anong meron sila, at kung ano nang binago at nababago sa buhay nila. And from there on, no? Kung natin tignan ito, because hindi sila mag-define ng dreams natin. Tama?
Yes.
Saka hindi sila magbibigay ng dreams natin. Tayo ang may dream, tayo ang may big why dito. Kaya kailangan tayo, matibay tayo dito. Because pag hindi tayo matibay dito, mawawala lahat.
Yes.
Sayang lahat ang nasimulan natin. You know? And remember, no, we're also being reminded that this is a filtering business.
Yes.
So pag hindi ka talaga para dito, maybe for a season, you will be here. But after a certain season, you will not be here anymore. Pwedeng babalik ka, o pwedeng hindi na talaga. But nevertheless, ang pinakamahalaga, tayo na nandito ngayon. Yes or yes?
Yes!
Yes. So that's why anong advice sa atin ng ating mga upline mentors? As long as we stick together, as long as we continue to grow, magpaturo tayo dito, magpamold tayo dito, no? Yung submission na talaga, humility from our part that we do not know everything yet. Ang dami pa talaga. Even myself, Lord, I still need to learn a lot of things. Kaya sa akin personally, ang dami-dami din tinuturo ang Lord sa akin. Ang dami-dami na nire-reveal na sa parang, Lord, yes, thank you. Ganun lang, no? Pero talaga ang dami. Because this is not just about sharing the product. This is not just about sharing the opportunity of lifestyles, but this is about touching lives of people,
Yes.
connecting to them.
Yes.
And yan ang number one na talagang in-impress ng Lord sa heart ko. That's why yung way of being a lifestyler is really quite heavy in my heart because that's how the Lord deals with me. And I thank God because ganun niya minumod yung heart ko, ganun niya minumod yung aking mind, no? Yung emotion ko, para talagang I really have to stick here, no? Because alam ko na through this opportunity, hindi lang tayo, hindi lang ako, hindi lang tayo, marami tayong matutulungan.
Yes.
And with that, thank you and good morning.